Hi guys! Previously we learned two methods of factoring polynomials. One is factoring out of the common factors. The other is using the difference of square formula and perfect square formula. Some of you might wonder, what if some polynomials are just not able to use either of these two methods? Well, that happens. That is why I'm going to show you a different method today, called the crossing method. It is an excellent method to factor the kind of polynomials like ax squared plus bx plus c. A, b, c. Here are all integers. Factoring this type is a little different according to the value of a. If a equals 1, that means we get x squared plus bx plus c. Let's look at this example. X squared plus 5x plus 4. Rewrite a cross first. X squared is the product of x and x. Then write two x's on the left side of the cross. What numbers should we write on the right side? The product of these two numbers should be 4. Here, the 4 can be the product of 2 and 2, negative 2 and negative 2, negative 1 and negative 4, or 1 and 4. Then we get the product. This pair, x times 2 is 2x. This pair as well, x times 2 is 2x. We add 2x and 2x together, we get 4x. 4x is not equal to 5x, so this way doesn't work. We do the same thing for the left. Negative 2 and negative 2, negative 1 and negative 4, and 1 and 4. It is obvious that only 1 and 4 can bring us 5x, so 1 and 4 are the integers we are looking for. Then we can factor the polynomials into the quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x plus 4. But what if b is a negative number? Are we still able to do it in the same way? Sure, we can. Let's look at this one. X squared minus 4x plus 3. Here the 3 can be the product of 1 and 3, negative 1 and negative 3. Which pair are we going to choose? Yep, the pair that the addition is going to bring us the negative 4x, that is, negative 1 and negative 3. That means we can factor the polynomial into the quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3. Now let's talk about when a is not equal to 1. The idea of solving this kind of problem is still similar. Let's try this one together. 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. In this situation, we must pay attention because the left side of the cross is not x and x anymore, but x and 2x instead. Here 6 can be the product of 1 and 6, 2 and 3, negative 1 and negative 6, negative 2 and negative 3. Let's cross multiply them. Only the pair 2 and 3 will bring us 7x. So we can factor the polynomial into the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. That's the result. That is the cross method for factoring. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, here are two more exercises for you to try. We will leave the answers at the end of the video. We can see that the crossing method needs more skills, but hey, practice makes perfect. In the next video, let's practice more on this method. Please stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your questions in a future video, and the most common questions will be given priority in our next video. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel, so when we answer your question in a future video, you'll be notified. See you next time.